Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today I am taking moral science, lesson number 7, religion. Religion means already means dharm, just like these are. In Hindi we say. So, what is religion and why this is necessary for several communities? Students, this word is really mystery. Nobody knows that who is having the control over all. Everything is secret here. But for understanding, for relating to the Almighty God, whom we do not know, and we used to say supernatural natural power, we call it God. And we have adopted various religions, just like Hindus. Hindus worship goddess Durga and Ram, like these goddesses are, and Muslims worship Muhammad Prophet. Christian worship Jesus Christ. Sikh worship Guru Nanak. Like this, etc. We can say there are numbers of religions are there, and we have to know why this is necessary here. Actually, I am going through the lines, and I hope you will be able to understand. The universe is filled with wonderful creations. Already we know this one. This universe is full of amazing or surprising creations, and we simply cannot explain their presence and purpose. Simply, normal person cannot explain the creations which are present in the universe. So what is here? We look at the planets and are awestruck by their magnificent and precise movement. We are looking various planets. Our scientists are inventing, and what kind of movement they have. We are these movement, these activity of the planets and satellites which are naturally found in the universe attract us and force us to think about it. So what are these? The sky, the earth, the oceans and the huge mountains are beyond humans' understanding. We are looking the sky, we are looking the earth, oceans, huge mountains. These all are the creations by secret power, whom or which we do not know. Not only we, nobody knows about it, because these creations of secret power is out of means beyond the understanding of the human beings. Means what is? The human body itself is inflexible, inexplicable. Human body also is out of understanding of the humans himself or itself, because we know we breathe, we eat, we drink, we do all kinds of activities, but we do not know what is the power which is asking to do it? This is also complicated for us to say nothing of the mind, and we cannot explain about a mind. What kind of speed is in mind, what amazing things are present in our mind, we cannot explain. All these tell us of the presence of a great architect. Means these all the creations tells us that something is powerful energy or powerful thing which has created all these things, and it is looking like a great architect, and whom we call God. And such power which is present around us we call a God. There is an urgency in us to recognize and to honor this unseen power. This is most important for us now. Students, this is most important for us. The unseen, unrecognized power which is present around us, we should recognize it also. Honor also. That what is the power? Our relationship with this power is expressed through different practices and in various ways. We are showing the relationship with this power, and we do different types of the practices, and we adopt various ways to relate to that power which is unseen. So we follow different types of the practices. This constitute religion. Means this creates a religion. That is why, because already I have told you what is religion here, it is coming out to make the relationship with the secret power which is unseen and which is creating all kinds of the things which are present around us is God. And for making relations to this secret power, we follow different types of the practices and various ways. This makes a religion, or this is called a religion here. In other words, religion is our belief in a supernatural power. In another word, we can say here, religion is a belief in a supernatural power which control this universe and everything in it, and the power which is present and control everything in nature and help everything in nature. This is called a religion. Religion means, you understand, very simply in Hindi we say dharma, and there are various religions. Students, different people have given different explanation about this supernatural being or power and pointed out different ways of paying tribute to it. Means what is here? The different people have given different kinds of explanation about the supernatural power, and they had made the different types of the ways to tribute of paying their tribute to it. These eventually gave rise to different religions, and this practice normally, eventually we can say, gave rise to different religions. In this way, the different religions came in existence. Students, each group felt that their explanation was the only right one. Here is a different thing here, different point. Means each religion, whatever explanation is giving about the supernatural power, thinking that their explanation is only right. Procedures and rituals followed by a particular group became the practices and rituals of the particular religion. Means the particular practices, particular procedures, whatever they followed a group, these becomes the group practices and rituals of a particular religions. Hence we have several religions following different rituals and practices. So student, there are the different religions which are continuously following different practices and rituals. Means, and we have, just like we have Christians who follow the teachings of Jesus Christ. There is a Christians who follow the practice of our teachings of the Jesus Christ. They follow the Bible and their holy book is Bible. Their holy book and worship in church. They celebrate festivals like Christmas and Easter. Means they celebrate festivals like Christmas and Easter. The cross is very dear to them as Jesus Christ died on a cross. Means actually Jesus Christ was died on a cross. That is why they, means Jesus, Christian religion adopted the cross as a dearest symbol of the Jesus Christ, and they adopted them it, and they worship with the help of this cross. They think that this is the presence of Jesus Christ with them. Okay students, we will discuss next paras tomorrow, means next lecture. Till then you have to read this story properly and try to understand. We will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.